Welcome, everybody. I'm glad you're back. I'm glad I'm back. And it's time to get on the topic at hand. Topic at hand today is visualize. I like this. And this is kind of part two. If you would have seen the video, I believe it's prior to this one or maybe the one before it. Not too sure, but you could look it up. And it was manifesting your desires. Now, there was a couple of techniques I shared on there. And I also, this one I left out because I believe it needed just its own video segment for itself. So to visualize. Visualization is amazing because let me explain. This has been done from many past generations. From if you think about it, from the beginning of probably time when they were trying to pass on whatever it was they wanted each other generation following them through what pictures, right? Writing on the walls, symbols, tons of ways, whatever they could to pass on whatever they could through that, what probably in their mind, creating the visualization of what they wanted to put on that wall wherever they were writing it, so you could get that mental image of what they were trying to basically pass on to you or give you whatever it was or explain what their history. It could go on and on, but not to get off topic but get back on topic. So to visualize, this is a good thing because a lot of people, there's tons of techniques on there. I would really suggest go out there and go really look into it and take what you can, like I can always says, and discard the rest and take what works for you and make a method, put it all together and make. Sometimes you got to make your own method, but grabbing from here and there, you could do something to that whole effect. There's no set way. That's the great thing about us, right? So back to this, to visualize. A lot of I could give you my own, let's say, experience and techniques. What I would do sometimes before I go to bed, if I had a task at hand or working on a project and I really wanted to accomplish it, I would almost go through it with the whole T. I'll give you a perfect example. You're going for a job, right? And in this job, I need you, when you do the visualization, you have to imagine, I mean, really deep in. This is how to get this technique in effect to work for myself. And if I was to teach it to anyone, I would believe the same way. You have to truly believe in what you're doing. And if you can do that and focus, and right, let's say before you go to bed, you picture like what I would do. I'm going to a job. I picture myself driving up, getting ready for the job, getting focused, getting my resume, seeing everything, all this play out, what I do, and maybe have my cup of coffee. I'm driving, I get to the office. Hey, how are you? Whatever the guy's name. Oh, thank you so much for your time, everything. And I will go through a whole spiel within this right here in this mental thing. You won't believe how much info this could hold for you and help you out later on when you need it, process it right back out to you. And while doing this, I would go through the whole thing, tell you thank you, and walk away and have it just like if I was there, like watching basically a picture or a movie of it happening of myself right there. I would do that. Then after that, go to sleep, wake up, do it again. And then I would also go even further if I really wanted it to already act like I already had this job or whatever it may be. That's another technique you could do. There's so many that you build on. But to keep it on point, just to visualize. So that's one thing you could do. Just like that. Remember, really visualize it. You could do it right before you go to bed. Maybe close your eyes, even in a quiet time or place when you wake up in the morning. And always go through it. Always keep it positive. One thing I'm going to tell you is the self-doubt. It happens. It happens to myself. I'm not perfect. No, nobody is. We're all human, right? That self-doubt, man, you have to kick it out because then it'll start to eat on it, and that bad energy and flow will just zoop, bring that great idea that you had straight back down, and you feel that self-worth that it's not for me, or I can't do it, or maybe they'll go. No, no, no. You know, you go in there and you leave that place, and like the example we said, that interview, and you say, I knew it, I know it went well, and I'm gonna get that job. And then when you get the call, there's no surprise because you already knew it was gonna happen. I came by Ruby. Take care. Thanks a lot. Just something I wanted to get out. So remember, visualization, visualize it, feel it. Use all five of your senses and the other senses that from your spirit and your nature. Well, thank you, everybody. Blessings to all, and I hope you achieve whatever it is you're trying to achieve. I came by Ruby. Take care.